Hello, we are with Armando, who is passionate about organization and practicality. On this occasion, Armando decided to purchase the Rimax Multipurpose Cabinet, a functional product, easy to assemble, and ideal for organizing and decorating the house, making the space look very cozy at the same time. Before starting the assembly process, it is important to find a suitable space to lay out all the pieces and work on a clean surface to protect the cabinet. Step 1. The base. To start this process, take one of the pieces marked as A, the one without a logo. Place it on the floor and select the 4 heels or pieces marked as T. Insert one piece into each corner, ensuring they are well installed. Rotate the piece and lay it on the floor. Now the base of the cabinet is ready. Step 2. Lower sides. Take the 2 panels marked as B and insert them into the piece marked as A, which is the base. Place one on each side and make sure they fit correctly. Step 3. Lower back panel. Locate the panel marked as C and, following the indicated orientation, turn it and slide it to the back of the cabinet. Slide it along the guides of the pieces marked as B, the sides, until it reaches the piece marked as A, the base. Make sure the pieces are securely fitted. You should feel them click into place. Step 4. Rear connector. Now, take piece marked as K and insert it into the piece marked as C, which is the back panel. This piece acts as a connector and helps to secure the structure. Step 5. Lower doors. Now, let's assemble the lower doors. To do this, take 2 pieces marked as D, doors, and 2 pieces marked as H, door connectors. Place a connector on each door and adjust them properly. Step 6. Lower left door. Once the lower doors are assembled, insert the left door into the axis on the base and finally secure it with one of the pieces marked as I, which acts as a connector and hinge. It is essential to install it properly on the axis of the base to ensure the door can open and close smoothly. Step 7. Lower right door. Now, repeat the previous process with the right door and make sure the connector fits correctly. Now you have installed the lower doors. Step 8. Upper sides. Now, take the remaining 2 panels marked as B. Attach the left panel to the connector I, which is already installed. Repeat the previous process with the right panel. Make sure the connector fits correctly. Step 9. Upper back panel. Locate the other panel marked as C and, following the indicated orientation, turn it and slide it to the back of the cabinet at the top. Slide it along the guides of the pieces marked as B, the sides, until it reaches the connector. Make sure the pieces are securely fitted. You should feel them click into place. Now you have finished the back of the cabinet. Step 10. Upper doors. Now, let's assemble the upper doors of the cabinet. To do this, take 2 pieces marked as D, doors, and assemble them above the lower doors on each side, left and right. Make sure the doors fit together correctly. Step 11. Central panel. Now, let's assemble the central panel of the multipurpose cabinet. To do this, take 2 pieces marked as E, dividers, and assemble them on top of each other until they click into place. Once the central panel is assembled, take the 3 pieces marked as Z, hooks for hanging, and install them at the top of the central panel. Position the hook from top to bottom by inserting the back pins of the hook into the holes on the panel. Now, take the complete central panel and place it on the guides on the base, or panel A. Step 12. Large upper shelf. To attach the central panel, take the piece marked as J, large shelf, and place it on the top of the central panel so that it fits on the sides of the cabinet with a slight click. Make sure to assemble the central panel correctly below the large shelf to ensure the cabinet structure is compact. Step 13. Small side shelves. Let's install the pieces marked as F, small shelves. Take each one and place it at the desired height. Make sure to insert the piece at a slight angle. This will make it easier to put the shelves in place. Check that each of the corners is well assembled. Repeat this step with each shelf. Step 14. Top panel. Take the last piece marked as A, the one with the Rimax logo. Place it on the floor and select the 4 plugs or pieces marked as N. Insert one piece marked as N into each corner and make sure they are properly placed. Take the previously assembled top panel and place it on top of the cabinet structure. Carefully join each corner so that the entire product is connected. Tip: place it gently and apply pressure to each corner to make it easier. Step 15. Handles. Finally, all that's left is to take the pieces marked as M, vertical handles, and the 4 screws that will secure them. Inside the doors, identify the circular guides. This part is crucial to ensure the handles are properly placed. We will place the handle on the second guide. This way, the handle will be centered on the cabinet. Place the screw gently at the top and bottom and drive it into the door material. This area is very thin, so you won't need to apply much force. Place the handle on the exterior and start screwing it in. Repeat this process with the other door. Now your Rimax multipurpose cabinet is ready to be used. Armando is happy. Your spaces with Rimax are more functional, warm, and practical. Enjoy it! As you could see, the assembly process of Rimax cabinet is very simple. Remember that with Anna and Armando, you can find instructions on how to assemble other references of Rimax cabinets. Suggestions: for regular cleaning of your cabinet, use conventional detergents, rinse with plenty of water, and do not use abrasive cloths or metal sponges as they could damage the surface of the cabinet. Find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and TikTok too, with great usage ideas and promotions that will captivate you.